So the topic of this is going to be resistors and understanding resistor codes. And again, just about anything you plug into the wall or into a circuit is a resistor, but these things are little things that do nothing but resist. They don't make toast for you, they don't play music, they don't do anything except for resist the flow of electricity. So these are resistors. And so now there's a color code, and there's plenty of information about the color code up on the internet. And basically you have a wire coming in, you have sort of a little weird structure like that, and there's going to be 4 bands. There's going to be 4 color bands. And the way that you want to hold it is you want to hold it so there's going to be you're going to normally see gold, maybe silver, and you want to put the gold or silver band on your right. And so then we've got A, B, C, and so the value of the resistor, the R, is going to be AB times 10 to the C. And we're going to get into this a little bit here about what that means. And so, and then the color code is you've got black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yep, gray, white. So you start at black, and then what's almost black is brown, and then basically you go through Roy G. Biv, and then you're going to end up at gray, but what you're going to end up at white, but what's almost white is gray. And so now these, I've got 10 of them, so we're going to have 10 digits associated with that. And the 10 digits, this is something people have trouble with because they forget that the digit that's most important is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the gold means plus or minus 10%. So that's a tolerance. So if I sort of take this one right here, I've got my gold over this. You probably can't see that all that well on this video, so I've got to flip it around. No, I got to flip it like that. And so I've got brown, green, red. So I'm going to have brown is 1, green is 5, and red is 2. So I'm going to have 15 times 10 to the 2 is going to equal 1500. So the 10 to the 2, that tells me how many zeros to put at the end. Okay, well, let's take my multimeter, let's put it on my ohms, and let's just sort of hook up, just sort of grab it like this, and it says 1.419, well, no, that's a 7 actually. Yep, you can't really see because it's in shadow. But that's 1.479. kiloohms, which is definitely within that 10%. So I'm going to have to hold that one. We're going to use that one in later circuits. Here is a brown, black, yellow. So we have brown, black, yellow, and so that's going to be 1, 0, yellow is going to be 4, so it's going to be 1, 0 plus 4 more zeros, so it's going to be 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's going to be 100 kiloohms. And we pull this in. And it says 95.8, 95.7 kiloohms. And so we had 95.7 kiloohms. And 10% would be, we could be between 90 and 110, so we're still within our 10%. We're not going to use that one, so I'm going to put it back. The other ones that I want to use, so I chose some that all end in red so that they all have sort of the same order of magnitude for working in the circuits that we're going to do. So we've got yellow, that's violet, yellow, violet, red. We have red, red, red. And we have brown, black, red. So just take a second to figure out what those should come out to be. My yellow, violet, red should be 47 kiloohms, but it is 4.66 kiloohms. So we have 4.6 kiloohms. I'm probably going to lose those. Red, red, red should be 2.2 kiloohms. And we got 2.177. And then brown, black, red, that should be 1 kiloohm right on the dot. It's probably going to be a little bit less, 0.993 kiloohms. Okay, so there's our resistors, and now we're going to, next we're going to hook one up into a circuit, and we're going to just analyze a circuit with a voltage and a resistor.